What's going on YouTube? Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing a review on a few different replacement band straps for your Gear Fit 2. Now you see we got the band that it comes with, which is, I forget what color this is classified as, but this is the band that the Gear Fit 2 comes with. It comes in 3 different colors. I think it's black, blue, and then this color. Alright. Now the first 2 bands, which are these outer bands, are by Inverleigh, and they're the Inverleigh Color Fashion Silicone Bracelet Strap for the Gear Fit 2. Alright, now you can get them both on Amazon.com for $4.99. Alright, now the one in the middle, the white one, is a Fresh Zone Silicone Samsung Gear Fit 2 Replacement Band Strap. And you can get this one on Amazon for $4.84. Now let me tell you about the 2 outer ones. The Inverleigh Colorful Bands, they're 20 millimeter bands, 135 to 230 millimeters in length. There's 12 different color options, and it's made of silicone material. And the color options that I got, because there's 12 different ones, is I got the M and the H option. So I don't know which is which, but if you want either one of these, well, this is the M option and this one is the H option, so you can choose those. All right, and for the Fresh Zone band, I got there's 11 different options for this. You get it in black, yellow, purple, red, blue, orange, dark blue, pink, sky blue, white, and gray. And these are also made from silicone material, and the strap length is 102.34 millimeters to 64.15 millimeters. So let's try these out real quick. If you don't know how to disassemble your watch band, it's simple. There's a little I don't even know what to call it, but there's like a little button here. You just push on it and they pull apart. You gotta like pull them out. Real simple. Push down on the button, and then you might have to wiggle it a little bit, finesse it a little bit to get it out of there, but it's not hard. There you go. And this is what you're left with. Alright. Your watch should look like that. So we're going to try the white one first. And one thing that this is my wife's watch, but I like to see if they're the same length, shorter, or longer. Now this one looks just a tad shorter, not much, but this part is longer. Alright, so this part of the band is a little longer, and this part of the band is just a little bit shorter. Alright, now one thing that I don't kind of like about these is the way that they button. So you know how they strap in here like that. Sometimes they don't always stay secure, and they fall off your wrist. I used to have this watch too, and I had the problem too where it would just unbuckle and fall off my wrist. My wife has the same issues at times too, where it would just fall off her wrist, and then she'd be looking for a watch. Not a good thing to have to do. You know what I mean? You don't want to have to look for your watch out of nowhere. So let me put this together for you real quick. Same way you take it apart, you put it together, and you take this side, do the same thing, press it up in there till you kind of feel it in there snug. It doesn't click or anything, but you'll feel it. And this is what it looks like. So the white color is okay, you know what I mean? It don't really clash. It, you know, gives it a nice little stylish look to it. But this band is definitely longer than the OEM band, and it's more secure, being that it straps on to the buckle and you don't have to worry about it coming loose. So I like this one. I think my wife will like that one too. But we're gonna go into the next one. Opening this one, I'm gonna test the length against this one. Just about the same size. And then we're gonna look at this. Just about the same size. So you're not losing anything as far as lengthwise. Same way you want to go. Kind of at an angle. Turn it off, so you gotta worry about it keep coming on. So that one wasn't on there. See if we can get it in there. See, and there it go. So maybe it just needed loosened up or something. Alright, now that side's on there. Let me put this one on. That side's on there. Now see, this looks a lot better than just the plain OEM band. And I think it looks a little better than the white one. But you see that? It's 3 different bands that you get for under 20 bucks. Definitely worth it. I'll leave the links in the description for all 3 of these bands if you want to purchase them. But it's Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews. If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the little Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, all you got to do is go into the description, click on every one of them links, and you can follow me on every one of my social media sites. And we out.